Hello people, welcome back. This question is from GATE 2018 exam. This is for 1 mark. You need to find the output of this program. So let's first see a shortcut method. See, whatever this program prints, it will be printed by this print statement only. And whatever this print statement prints, it will be of this form. That means character, comma, character. Okay. So answer is option A, because only in this option you have character separated by comma and then one more character. In option B, you have one character, comma, three characters. But here you have one character, comma, one character. So this is rejected. Here you have 1, 2, 3. 3 characters, comma, again 5 characters. This is not allowed. Okay. See, this thing, single quotes, it is a special character. So treat it as one character. So 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3. 3 characters, comma 3 characters can never be the output. Okay. So option B, C and D are rejected. Hence answer has to be option A. And if you use such things in the real GATE exam, you will save a lot of time. Okay. So just keep on practicing such things when you are solving questions for practice, or at least notice them. Only in that case such things will come into your brain when you are just solving the real exam. Okay. Anyways, now let's go into details because we actually need to learn the concept. So in this program, this line, here we are trying to define a structure. Its name is Ournode and it will have 3 characters, X, Y and Z. Okay. The execution will begin from the main function. That means this is the first line that will be executed. In this first line, you are trying to declare a variable named P. Type of this variable is this. So it is a structure Ournode type. Okay. This data type we have already defined in the program. Okay. That means variable P, it will be something like this. It will be a structure. And there will be 3 characters inside this structure. So this is P, whatever we have declared right now. Inside P, you have X, Y, and Z. All 3 of these variables, they are of character type. Okay. Now here only, in this line only, you are trying to initialize this P also. Okay. Let us see what are the values that will be saved in X, Y, and Z. Now you have written 1 in single quotes. This means character 1. This is not an integer value. In single quotes means this is a character. And for saving characters, you always save the sky value. So whatever is the sky value of 1, that will be saved here. Okay, in X. See, this is the value for X, this is the value for Y, and this is the value for Z. You have 2 commas and 3 values. All of these 3 values will be saved in X, Y, and Z. So in X, you are saving a sky value of 1. You actually don't need to learn the sky value of 1. You just believe some sky value will be saved here that corresponds to 1. But I know the sky values, so I'll also write them. A sky value of 0 is 48. Yeah, 48. Then a sky value of 1 will be 49. So 49 is saved in X like this. And in Y, 48 is saved because next character is 0. What is this third character? Third character is A, which is 97, plus 2, which is 99. So 97 plus 2 means 99. So 99 is saved here. Look, these are 3 characters. Assuming that character is of 1 byte, you have 1 byte here, 1 byte here, 1 byte here. That means 8 bits. Those 8 bits will save some number. They will save some pattern which corresponds to 49, 48 and 99. Okay. Let us also analyze the addresses. Suppose that the base address of this structure is 99. This is address number 99. It can be anything. I've just taken any number at random. This will be address number 100 because character is of 1 byte. Okay. And this will be byte number 101 like this. Okay. So these are the addresses. In these 8 bits, 49 is saved. In these 8 bits, 48 is saved and 99. Okay. You don't need to know these values. See, for solving this also, you don't need these values. A will have some ASCII value. To its ASCII value, if you add 2, you will surely get the ASCII value of C. Whatever is the ASCII value of A, you can assume it to be 1. So B will be 2, C will be 3. 1 plus 3 is obviously C. So here you have saved the ASCII value of character C. Okay. This Z is of character type and it can save only characters. So this ASCII value is of character C. Okay. Now let us analyze the next line. In next line, you are trying to declare a pointer. See, next line says struct Ournode star q. Star q means name of the variable is q. It is of the type pointer and it can only point to such structures. Okay. This is q. It will contain some address and the address can only be of such a structure. Let us see which structure is this. We are trying to assign AND P to this Q. P is that structure. Writing AND with P means the address of P. So what is the address of P? The base address is 99. So 99 is assigned to Q. Okay. This means that Q is pointing to base address of the structure like this. Okay. Then in next line you are trying to print something. So first thing that is printed is this. Okay. So this will be printed on place of this %c. Then a comma will be printed. Then this thing, it will be placed on place of this %c. Okay. That means this thing has to be some character and this thing also has to be some character. Now one thing, just note that I have changed the sizes of these brackets just to make it simpler to analyze. In real GATE exam, all of these brackets, they will be of same size and it will be a bit difficult to analyze. Okay, that means from where a bracket is starting and till where it goes. But here you have only 2 to 3 brackets, so it's not that difficult. But if you have 5, 6 or 10 brackets, I recommend you just copy it down on your notepad. Okay, and you can change the sizes of brackets accordingly. Anyways, let's move ahead. So you are typecasting Q. Before discussing this thing, let me discuss one more point. Int x is equal to 7. X plus 4. X plus 7. X is equal to x plus 4. Just analyze this program. So here you are declaring a variable named x whose initial value is 7. So this is x, its initial value is 7. In next line, 7 plus 4 is done. What is 7 plus 4? It will be 11. But value of x is not updated. This thing is 11, but x remains 7 only. You can use it like this. That means y will get this value 11, but x will remain as it is. So x is still 7 only. In next line, x plus 7 means 7 plus 7, that is 14. You can use this value 14, but x remains 7 only. In third line, x will be updated. X is equal to x plus 4. So now x will become 11. Okay. See, just to explain you this thing, I discussed the small program or the small point. Now have a look. Q means some address. Writing these brackets and some type in these brackets means you are trying to typecast Q. Q will be typecasted to this type. Q, earlier it was a pointer to this data type. Okay, pointer to structure Ournode. But now Q will act as a pointer to some character. Okay, data type of Q is not changed in reality. In reality, Q is of this data type only. But if you analyze from here to here, this is now a address of some character. Okay, char star means it will point only to characters. Q is the address. Now that address is changed to type char star. Like x plus 4 will not actually change the value of x. Similarly, actually the type of Q is not changed, but this thing, it represents address of some character. Okay. So from here to here, this is address of some character. To this you are adding 1. This will also be some address, and it will also be the address of some character only, because character address plus 1 will give you a character address. Have a look. This is address of some structure. Now that same address, that same value, Q contained 99 only. Now that 99 is treated as address of some character. Okay. So this address of some character. To this address, you are trying to add 1. That means this address. Okay. So from here to here, we are referring to this address. Okay. Writing star means take the value at that address. Value at that address is 48. Okay. So now treat it as a character. This was a character address. Plus 1 means you will get a character address only. So if you treat 48 as a character and you try to print it, what will be printed? 48 is the sky value of 0. 0 will be printed. So this is printed. Okay. Similarly, you can analyze this. Q is address of a structure that contains value 99. So this is erased now. Okay. This was just for analyzing this one. Q is address of some structure. Writing this thing means that same address, that 99, it is treated as address of a character. To this you are adding 2. So to this character address, adding 2 means shift by 2 characters. 1, 2. You will get this address. Then writing a star means take the value present at that address. The value is 99. Now this means 99. You are trying to print it as a character. So printing 99 as a character means 99 is a sky value. So what will be printed? It will be C. Now even if you don't write 99 here, simply say that C is saved. Here 0 is saved. Here 1 is saved. It will work perfectly fine. Just for analysis purpose. Okay. One last point that I want to discuss, and this is the most important thing for this question. See. I'm going to discuss about pointer arithmetic with respect to structures now. Q is address 99 and it is of the type struct Ournode. Okay. Q plus 1 means shift by one structure. This is Q which contains value 99. Now Q plus 1 means shift by one structure. So you will get this address. You will get address number 102. Because Q itself is a structure. Adding 1 to it means you are talking about the next structure. Okay. If you write like this, char star. Now you are saying Q is a character. Okay. Shift by one character. This is a character address. Plus 1 means shift by one character. In that case, you will get this address. Okay. This is what is the most important thing that you have to learn from this question. Writing a star here, actually don't use the square brackets, simply use the circular brackets only. Writing star here means this one was a character address, plus 1 was a character address. So star means take the character at that address. Okay. Or take the value at that address. Yeah, that's all about this question. Have a good day.